Welcome to ezfocus 3.0. It's more secure and it has a new modern look. But most importantly, you will notice that the platform is more flexible, will give you access to more data and new dashboards. The first time you log in, you will notice that multi-factor authentication has been activated. You will have to enter your telephone number as well as send in the validation code. Once you are in, you will easily find your way. The product search, account search, and provincial drop-downs will be the exact same location. And your main reports in the red bar. Once you go to a report, you will notice that new features include being able to go back in time, having access to hectoliters, selecting the channels you want to compare side by side. You will also be able to change the grouping in many different ways, including products, so having a report by product, selecting your segment, or even limiting the report to a number of lines. If ever these filters are not in-depth enough and you want to analyze the data more in detail, you will have to click on the left chevron here, and you will have access not only to your provincial filters, but also to the national ezfocus filters as well. Let's say I wanted to pull top SKUs for a specific category. And click on these and basically refresh the data using the refresh button that is located between the two filters or completely on the right here. As you can see, your products will be highlighted automatically in blue. To pick and choose your columns, just click on the column chooser. You will have additional new product attributes which can be very practical, including appellation, brand, the date the product was actually inserted in the market, as well as varietals. If I continue to scroll down, you'll have access to all of the different time frames you're used to, but even more. For example, for a specific channel, if I click on the different time frames, you'll notice that I have access not only to this year, last year, and the percentage change, but also access to the case change, as well as the share of market. So having the flexibility to pick and choose what you want to see in your report is now available in all of the different sections, including the 10-year sales, being able to pick and choose the years, as well as the monthly sales, where you'll be able to pick and choose the periods themselves. What's also great is that all of your reports will now be in a grid view, which means that you can basically click on any of the titles of the columns to automatically sort in alphabetical order, or double click to do the inverse. This will also apply to any of the dates or numbers in terms of volumes. You'll also be able to click on the funnel to select multiple options. For example, if I wanted to filter on the Cabernet Sauvignon onlys and the Pinot Noir, it will do so. You can also type anything in any of the columns and it will sort as well and filter on what you write. So let's say in this case, Chardonnay. And of course, you can also use the magnifying glass to create a rule. So let's say you wanted to know all of the SKUs that were trending positively since the beginning of the year, greater than 0 in this case, and it will automatically filter on those SKUs. And last but not least, you can always reset. And you can also now drag and drop anything in the top of your report and it will automatically create your new subtotals. So let's say I wanted to see the Australian category by brand, drag and drop, and now I can see by brand how they are performing.